decorative pillow in your choice of, there you're seeing your winter friends, winter whimsy, sometimes we call them, or in the cardinal. Your item number is H267645, and this is the first day that these are being presented at a clearance price where we have taken $17 off our original QVC price. We cannot get these back in anymore. Ooh, those are really soft. So to be able to kind of clear out our space, we've put them on a clearance price and taken almost half off, really, $17 off the price. So as you're seeing here, they're 18 inches, so that's like the standard throw pillow size. They've got this beautiful feel, like a velveteen feel, like super duper soft. So unlike some throw pillows that look pretty, but just don't really feel like a pillow at all, these are gonna feel beautiful enough to lay down on, and they have a nice, beautiful squish to them as well. Each one is decorated with the fringe all the way around, and then you're getting two different kind of scales of the print. So this one is the cardinal, so you're getting several different cardinals there and all of the poinsettias, and then you flip it over and you get a larger scale. So maybe that works better in the place that you put these, whether you're doing a big couch and you want to get a couple of them to just put those on the couch and all of a sudden it's Christmas time. You're just going to get the one cardinal there, or maybe one chair if you want to just pick up one, even maybe a bed. You can completely redecorate for the holiday with just a couple pieces, and it makes it a really affordable way to decorate more rooms. This is Winter Friends, and so we're gonna get, let me see if I can remember all of their names. I think it's Penny the Penguin. Oh, Gumdrop, yes, thank you so much. Erin, did you just know that off the top of your head? I love you so much. Okay, so Gumdrop, and then there's Mr. Bojingles. That was the one that David Venable named. And then Wimbley the reindeer. So these are friends that have become a part of this Temp-tations line. They're all taking a little family picture here, and you see all of the beautiful C9 lights all around them that gives you the kind of like that feeling of nostalgia as well. And that one even has the cardinals, which are really important to this brand. So if you wanted the cardinal, they're even in the Winter Friends. And then you move this one around, and then you'll see the different scale on top. Like, are they dancing? Are they tumbling? I don't know, but you just get a different look. So if you want to have one look one day and another look another day, we could actually call them reversible. So the Winter Friends are going to be trimmed in the red fringe and the cardinals in the green fringe. Again, they're 18 by 18. Machine wash, tumble dry. Wow, as I'm looking at these and thinking of laying my head down on them, because when you feel how soft they are, you're gonna wanna do that. I was like, ooh, what if I get my makeup on them? Well, with that white background, don't worry, you can machine wash and tumble dry. So clearance sale price means they're already low, at a low clearance price, cannot get them back in. But then because of Christmas in July, we have to put everything in our Christmas inventory on sale. And so you get them home for even less than the clearance price. But we can't reorder them. You do still have through the end of January to return them. This is the cardinal. And then here we have the Winter Friends. First day at this clearance price, saving you $17. Less than $7 on Easy Pay to get them home. So if you did want to get a couple for the couch or for the bed, now would be the time to do it. If you use your Q card, it'll be $4 on Easy Pay. H267645 is your item number.